What's up everyone, I am making an emergency Dogecoin video to answer all of your questions because Dogecoin crashed after Saturday Night Live. But what is next for Dogecoin? Is it over for Dogecoin? Or are we going to see an incredibly profitable pump right now? So make sure you guys stay tuned for the whole video. I have some incredible information regarding Dogecoin that you cannot miss. Also, if you want to see Dogecoin go to the moon and you think Dogecoin is going to be blasting off soon and it's not over for Dogecoin, hit up the like button and put it in the comments below. When do you think we are going to go to $1? Additionally, I gave away 250 Doge last night, which was approximately worth $200. I'm going to be giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. So if you want to qualify to win that Doge, all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, put anything in the comments below, and follow my Instagram. What's up everyone, my name is Miles. I'm an expert in technical analysis. I have one of the most profitable and accurate YouTube channels in the entire world concerning cryptocurrency. Every day I make videos about Dogecoin, calling out big plays before they happen, whether they're gonna dump or pump. So if you guys want to make a lot of money in cryptocurrency, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss my time-sensitive videos. And if you guys want to get my private trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, I post trade alerts every single day in my Patreon. I'm calling out really big plays every single week, making you guys lots of money. So if you guys want to get access to that or the 3,000 person Discord, join the Patreon through the link in the description below. And I'm also offering classes, one-on-one mentoring, helping you guys to learn how to trade and chart like a pro. All right, just like I called out, there would be a lot of volatility yesterday and last night. That did happen, and I was telling you guys to take profits all week because I was expecting a huge drop on Saturday. I also was hoping for a big pump, but it didn't come. However, I was telling you guys there was going to be a huge drop on Saturday. I've been telling you guys for weeks, look, I would be looking to take profits on Friday. Isn't that what I not told you guys? Because you have to buy the rumor and sell the news. It happens every single time. And I told you guys, look what happened at Tesla Battery Day. The months and the weeks leading up to the Tesla Battery Day, Tesla stock was just going up and up and up and up. But on the day that they announced the good news of all the Tesla battery news and all the good news they had for their Tesla cars, the stock tanked and dropped. The same thing happens in the crypto market, including Dogecoin. It happens every time. If we take for historical data, look at what happened on 420, April 20th, which was supposedly supposed to be Doge Day. Yes, that day Dogecoin crashed, but the days leading up to it is when it rose. So let this be an example for you in the future. When there is another huge event for Dogecoin, which will be happening very soon, sell before that event if you want to secure the most profits. Now, you don't have to sell. No, you can continue to hold long term if that is your strategy. But if you're looking to take quick profits here or there and you want to secure the most profits, the most profitable traders like myself, we buy the rumor and sell the news. We secure always our profits and let a little bit of the rest ride out so that if it drops or tanks, we still have all of our profits. And then we have all of that cash to buy when it crashes, because that's how you make the most profit when it comes to investing or trading. You don't just hold on long term, which can be very, very profitable. But the people that are doing it right, like myself, what we do is whenever there's a big run up, we pull profits and we wait for a big crash and then we buy in again. So that way we're kind of able to actually double our profits when it comes to the long-term investors. However, long-term investors are not wrong. I have long-term positions. You should always have long-term positions like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano. Some of those can be long-term investments. They don't need to be traded, but something that is really, really volatile like Dogecoin, it can be held long-term. But if you want to make a little bit more profits, you can learn how to trade it. So we're just going to take a look at some of the statistics and data when it comes to Dogecoin, and we see Dogecoin is down a good bit. The last 24 hours, we are down 30%. That is not the end of the world, but the trading volume is up 50%. So last night we saw pretty much a big drop in a series of big drops, and this had to do with whales that are selling and people that are taking profits because Dogecoin was really high. And you guys were asking me, should I buy Dogecoin at this level? Should I buy Dogecoin at this level? I was saying no, because Dogecoin was way too high. Yes, if you were able to trade and make really quick trades, sometimes some of those big drops will be very profitable for you. But when something is so high and pumped up because of hype super fast, you want to stay away from that and let some of that dust settle. Let some of that hype and volume and volatility settle, and then you can make your entry after all of that dust and hype settles and buy the major dip. That's when you will be most profitable. And the good news is Dogecoin is still the number 4 cryptocurrency in the world. Yes, but Dogecoin will continue to climb. Dogecoin will hit $1. The matter of that is when that will happen. I don't think it'll be very long because we have a lot of catalysts for Dogecoin that I'm going to be sharing with you, and we're going to be doing right now some technical analysis so I can show you if you should buy here, when you should buy, or what you should do. And if you want a really good trading platform for Dogecoin, check out Webull. Last night Robinhood crashed, and it keeps happening over and over again. When there's a lot of volatility, when Dogecoin is pumping or dumping, you're not going to be able to sell, you're not going to be able to buy. You get screwed every single time one of these events happens. So join Webull through my link in the description below. They will give you 2 free stocks worth up to $2,200, which you can immediately sell and buy Dogecoin with, or you can just send it back to your bank account and close that account. Definitely recommend checking that out. All right, so taking a look at a chart, we're getting so much information. Look, we've seen a massive pump. We came down a little bit. We were in an uptrend. We were headed back up again. We broke all-time highs, and then we had the crash. However, the crash wasn't as substantial as we normally see. Usually the last crash we had was 68%. And if we take a look, we can measure and see how much of a drop it was. Okay, 43%, but we are bouncing up and we hit a level of resistance. Look, this was the previous level of resistance, approximately 41 cents. Now, a level of resistance doesn't have to be an exact number. It's pretty much an area where the price cannot go below. So we saw a lot of selling volume, and we're looking at the 1 hour chart right now. We saw a lot of selling volume, but we got a very big bounce right here. Look at all these green dots. It's showing me how bullish Dogecoin is. And look, right now we're getting a massive green candle. So I think we're going to be bouncing up from this level, but do not be surprised and be very careful because Dogecoin could break down to further levels of support. The next level of support would be 37 cents, honestly, and then we have close to about 31 cents. So that's another level of support, but I'm not conjecturing that we're gonna hit 31 cents. No, I think Dogecoin is gonna be going up higher and higher and higher. And as time goes on, when you notice cryptos, what they do is they go up really high and they drop, and then they go up really high. So the levels and the ranges that they're trading at keep getting higher and higher and higher. Remember when we were at 3 cents and 5 cents, and I said, okay, we have to bounce it to these levels, and then 7 cents becomes our level of support. Then we broke past that, hit 11 cents, and then 14 cents, and then we just kept going up and down, up and down. But the highs get higher and the lows get higher. So our low right now is we're sitting approximately 48 cents. Now we have some levels of resistance that we must clear. But the good news is, ladies and gentlemen, the next level of resistance is approximately 58 cents. We don't really have much resistance at these levels because we went parabolically straight up. So also for 54 cents, 57 cents, those are going to be the ranges. So I think we'll bounce up very quickly from this point. And if you guys are wanting to know when to buy or sell, check out the Patreon. I promise you, it will bless you. But what I personally think is going to be happening is I think we're going to be recovering. However, what we must notice is that not only Dogecoin fell, but look, if we look at Ethereum dropped down. We look at Bitcoin dropped down. We take a look at VeChain. Cardano, wow, Cardano is $1.80. That is incredible. I didn't even notice that. We have Ethereum Classic drop down. We had BNB. We had a lot of cryptocurrencies that dropped down. So what you need to do is whenever you see a major crash with Dogecoin, look at the other cryptocurrencies, because if the other cryptocurrencies are down, Dogecoin isn't bringing them down. Sometimes the cryptocurrency market, they all do move together. Sometimes Doge moves separately, but Dogecoin is becoming more part of the leader of the crypto, so they're going to be moving together. So if you see the major cryptos, they're going down too, and Dogecoin is going down too, it doesn't mean that Dogecoin is crashing because the hype is over. No, it actually shows you a healthy correction in the entire crypto market itself. So my personal opinion is that we're going to get a really big bounce here. I think that is in the cards, and I think that is going to be happening. So if you guys like today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Check me out on the Patreon or the Discord. You can hit me up personally, and I will see you guys there.